You can't follow me home, okay? Let's go!
Mayor's office.
Anyone report seeing anything
Train accident?
unusual?
What do you mean he hit a giant creature? What creature could be big enough to...
I need your car.
Leader of the free galaxy's back. I knew you'd make it. I never doubted.
We got your warning. We've been ready.
Done! In your face, Bush! Looks like you got a ways to go there, guy.
Not as much as Muscle Man over there. He barely touched that hedge.
Wow, you can fix yourself? Neato. Uh-oh, Mom's home. Just stay here, okay? I'll be back. Bye.
I didn't get in, but
Does anyone know where I can get to a telephone nearby?